Hi there, I'm back after so many days. Asa kalamo nintawna boyo mo jang nito. Dinini topic and jading percentage calculation, concept ko jang silang again. Concept are very important. If you know the concept, you can solve any problems. You can implement the concept everywhere, anywhere. Concept ko silang nani mo na jang silang again. Process of conversion मोनसे अनजिमा मोनोबा बेखौ जोङो percentage of convert खालामनो हायो बेखौबो जों सोलोंगोन बेनि उनाव finally I will give you some examples real life examples बाजाराव हाथायाव नुयोना 50% discount 20% discount 10% discount what does it mean to me बेयो जोंनो मा फोरमायो बेखौ जों सोलोंगोन with an example alright आं सानो दिनैनि भिडिअआ स्टुडेन्टफोरखौथ' हेल्प खालामगोन फरायसाफ्रा डेफिनेटलि हेल्प मोनगोन बेनि अनगायैबो जायफ्रा इन्टारभिउनि थाखाय रेडि जादों माबा कम्पिटिटिभ एग्जामनि थाखाय रेडि जादों जब इन्टारभिउनि थाखाय रेडि जादों बिथांमोनखौबो हेफाजाब खालामगोन होननानै आं सानो आरोबाव जायफ्रा फालांगि खालामो बिजनेसमेन बिसोरखौबो हेल्प खालामगोन डेफिनेटलि मानोना बिजनेस मिन्स पार्सेन्टेज प्रफिट लस केलकुलेसन बेयो मोनसे इम्पर्टेन्ट कन्सेप्ट and tool for businessmen. All right, let us get going. All right, percentage are basically a portion of 100. जौखोन्दो बर'नि percentage को जौखोन्दो माने जौ means 100 right 100 because 100 now ma what is the portion of 100 let's say I have 100 here Mini ma 100 ni ma laden ang lai. Let's say 12. 100 ni 12. Be 112 kuno man gan ni be 12 kuno man percentage. Manana gayo ni 100 no. Remember you have 100 here. Divider ni be jai ran gra. Ni be ran jagra. Okay 100 ni portion. Because in a percentage be jai 12%. Because in man gan 12%. Okay, we will then let's say 5 out of 100, right? We have 5 kunumangan percentage. Is it 5 percentage? Like here 30 out of 100. We have a percentage. Okay, so nangkane gahayaw thanango 100. Hamba gojo jaki ja thagen jaun jima thagen bekone jingo percentage percent 5% 30% 12% bebedi inga all right now ne bekone jani 10 out of 200 be 200 che he 100 no engkai ne be 10% no ade be 10% je manana ga yo 200 100 no hamba jami ko 100 khund bani nangan jing gayaw 100 r mansi 100 bonangan hamba je 200 jagana 100 plus 100 200 okay hamba be 200 jing dividing we have divided this by 2 right and kani go 2 jing divide karna jing 5 kan na okay so this 5 so their percentage basically so because of percentage of given Goa, actually we get 5%. This actually 5%. Okay, that is a concept. Some portion of 100 some portion of 100 is called percentage. That is the concept. Okay, let us see now some example. Alright, if I ask you how to convert the 0.17 into percentage, how do I do that? You have to just multiply by 100. Okay, so this is 0.17 into 100 equal to 17.00%. This is a percent. Okay. 17%. This is how you will convert. Conversion is easy. Just multiply by 100. And you can 3 by 4 convert kalam percentage so multiply by 100. Okay, so this will be what? 3 into this, divide this, you'll get 25. So this you will get 75%. Okay, easy. You have to just multiply by 100. Okay, now this is shortcut. This is shortcut. Long cut. Fundamental ko nahi hai how it is done. Okay, this is shortcut. Shortcut is good to solve problems in the competitive exams. Okay, long understanding what you again. 0.17 can be written as what? A decimal point okay 1. When we 1 it okay 0, we 7 it okay 0. Break it 17. Okay. Now you multiply this by 100. You'll get percentage. Okay. So you get 17%. This is how it is done. Alright. Take baby dine 3/4 ko percentage of convert you multiply by 100. That we have already seen. Okay. So this is what we are doing. Maybe decimal expression ko fractional convert column nani multiply by 100 column over we convert easy. Alright. That is how it is done. Alright, now if I ask you convert 5 to percentage, are you column 5 to we said multiply by 100, right? So 5 into 100 equal to 500 is the percentage. So now how it is done? Actually it is like this. 5 can be written as 5 equal to, correct, 5 divided by 1. Now what is the percentage of this? Is basically 5 1 into 100. So this is actually 500. Okay. So this is how it is done. We conversion. So any number, if I ask you like 17, what is the percentage of 17? Convert column number, just multiply by 100. So you get 1700. Okay, very tricky questions you might be asked in the competitive exams, job interviews. Okay, very tricky questions here. Alright. Okay, let us move on. Alright, now let us see some examples. Sorry. 10% of 600. Bagalo because expression to convert column. 10% is basically 10 divided by 100, right? Now of 600 need 10%. But again, you are going to do like this: 10 divided by 100 into 600. Okay, cut. This is actually 60. This is not percentage, okay? This is actual number, real number. So you get 60. Like that, 5% of 200. So 500 into then 200, okay? Equal to 10. Easy? Alright, so this is how it is done. Alright, okay, we'll move on. Alright, let us see a real life example. For a real life example, MRP means maximum retail price. Homnani late ni by 10,000 aman say smartphone ni price. MRP maximum retail price be. Okay, when price of ke parama then 20% rebate then 20% rebate means 20% discount then. What is the selling price? Ang be mobile ko baywa ang bisibang hanangan shopkeeper nile. That so let us calculate. Okay, 20% rebate. That is the most important point. 20%. 20% rebate माने discount होमबा 20% rebate जायोबा बेसेबां percent selling price percentage of selling price आ बेसेबां जागोन so मारै calculate खालामगोन जोङो percentage of selling price will be 100% minus 20 okay then you get actually this is 80% this is the percentage of selling price this is the percentage of of MRP NBA, okay, MRP. This is the percentage of MRP, which is basically actual selling price. 80% of 80% of MRP is the selling price. Okay, now we know 80%. So this 80%, so selling price will be how much? Selling price will be 80 because जों बिदि लिरनो हायोना 80 divided by 100 into what is the MRP? MRP is this 10,000. Okay, so this is the selling price. You calculate this, cancel out, then how much you get? 80 and 00, 88,000. You get 8,000 is the selling price. This is the selling price. Okay, so that is how you calculate the selling price from MRP and the discount percentage. This is percentage of discount. All right, I hope you got it, right? Let us move on. That's all for today. Dinini discussion ko bono pojumne jabai. Please don't forget to write your comments. Thanga comment later tabote. So we'll meet again sometime. Until then, take care. Bye.